Normally I just move on, but there's a lot of cameras, so I'll hit this target because it's a funny visual.
Oh, wait.
There we go. You are trying to wrestle him to the ground and make him stop doing that.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Like Taylor, just keep eating the pretzel.
We'll do that.
Yeah, you should be the senator.
Here's what we'll do. We'll take the next target. We will place it not in front of my body, but in fact behind my back. Now, if I can hit it back there, obviously, giant round of applause. If I should miss, and I might, it's difficult. Be quiet, and I will know by the fact that you're sodden that I must have missed the target, and I'll try it again. Third option, I miss the pretzel and instead tag myself in the butt with the supersonic crack of a 7-foot bullwhip. Make a lot of noise, as it will help cover up my girlish screaming, all right? Here we go. I don't mean to offend the girls in the audience. My boy is screaming. Yeah. Equal rights. Right, young girls?
Yeah.
People
Now I have two guys fighting over the pretzel. You haven't eaten yet?
Yes.
Weirdest group of young people.